Hey everyone, and welcome to this vlog video. Basically, I'm going to tell you what I've done this week and what apparently my brother's done. Basically what my brother's done, he's gone to the cinema with his girlfriend, and in the photo booth which they have there, he's found a couple of pictures of a couple who he doesn't know, and basically brought it back and put it in my CD box. And to my surprise, I was like, who the fuck are these people? So after that, I then decided to put the photographs on the fridge door to see how long it will take for my parents to realise they are there. And, well, basically, I'll show you the Snapchats. Oh, God. For fuck's sake. No one will take it down. It's been up there fucking ages. Fucking hell. Who's that? What's your next story?
Who's there? Why is there now? Who is it? Who is it?
I don't fucking know.
Who is it?
Thomas found it, apparently.
Right.
He's found it in one of them things at cinema or something.
Yeah.
We've been to the cinema yesterday.
So he brought it home. Right, Daddy just put it on the fridge.
It's been there a whole day, if not longer.
And I ain't seen it.
No.
I am.
Right. If it was me trying to find it, then fair enough, because I'm a fat bastard. I love my food, but seriously. So yeah, they are the Snapchats. I don't know why I found it funny. I just when I'm in the moment, I find things 10 times more funnier than they should be. But anyway, also today I went to see my friend Callum to record some more songs. So here's a few clips here for you. Callum! Hi, Callum! You're right. Yeah, good. It's good, yeah. Okay, bye-bye. A bog outside. I repeat, there's a bog outside. Oh, well, hello there. This is Callum's house. Yeah, open the door. I'm coming for Callum. Yes, hello, Callum. Callum! Callum! I'm coming for ya. Coming for you. Coming for ya. I'm coming for ya. Oh, Callum. Shush.
I cannot do this. I need to sort of stop.
Oh, that's nice, that. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, work it, baby. Say hello, Callum.
Hello.
Okay. So yeah, that's basically what I've done this week. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, that'll help out a lot, so thank you. And oh, before I forget, actually the whole point of this video was to tell you what I'm doing for this channel. And what I'm doing for this channel is basically doing a Let's Play, as many YouTubers do. But I'll be keeping the secret of what game I'm going to be playing for now. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.